usually bring you brand new guns from IWA and Enforce Tac, but I'm here at the Tisas booth. I was having a conversation with my buddy Ergen, and we thought it might be a good idea to maybe bring to viewers' attention, because I don't really get an opportunity to have a bunch of Tisas guns all side to side to side. So Ergen, if you could talk to us about maybe some of the classic Tisas guns. I want to start with the Zigana, because funny point of fact, this is kind of a Hollywood famous gun, right?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
That's one of the earliest production pistols. We start producing these models in 2000.
So 25 years you've been making this gun, yeah.
So that's a hammer fired with the thumb safety. At the same time, it's with the decocker. So it's a compensator. We do it because that's a short barrel and it kicks so much. That's why this is kind of engineering sported barrels in order to reduce the recoil.
Yeah, sure. What type of magazines does it take?
That's a Tisas magazine.
Okay.
It comes with the 20 rounds, 17 rounds, depends on the market.
So it's not compatible with other.
No.
Is there anything else you want to tell me about?
Novak, the compatible dovetails.
What can you say about the reliability of this gun, the testing of this gun?
That gun is fully surprised. You never had any malfunction, any issue. That's guaranteed.
Yeah, see, and it's funny because usually I can rely on like the sales guy whenever I do these videos to be like, oh, this is the best gun ever, best. But Kaya over at Classic Firearms, he has said that this is like one of the most reliable guns that he's ever shot. So I don't know, maybe I need to get one of these for a review on TFBTV, because honestly, I had never even seen it. I'd heard about it, and then we walked up, we were talking about the PX57, and I said, okay, let's talk about this one too. But we've also got the Zigana P9. This is like the
copy of the TT33.
That's right. Yeah. So tell me about this.
So we started producing this in 2010. So we have several markets for it, like the Pakistan and the Sudan. But due to the sanctions, we stopped producing for those markets. So now we are looking for sales opportunity in USA and the Europe. So it's not fully original because most market is asking for the thumb safety.
Right.
That's why we little change this.
Yeah. Myself personally, look, I appreciate the fact that you guys make this. I appreciate the fact that you probably sell it for very cheap. Do you know what it sells for?
It's $250.
Yeah, super cheap. I hate these guns. They're all terrible, no matter what the caliber. But they're cheap. They're cheap and they're reliable, and that's what matters, right? Yep. And then now, speaking of guns I do like, we're talking about, this is the
F84.
Fatih, yeah, 13, which is like a Beretta 84 BB. Like it takes the double stacked magazines. You've got the safety, carry it cocked and locked if you want to. Does this one have a tip-up barrel or no?
No, that's in fixed.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And that's fine, because I like the fixed barrel. So this is similar to the Beretta 84, but made in Turkey, going to be significantly less expensive, and it's still in production, unlike the old Beretta 84.
We started with this pistol. The Tisas, one of this project was this one, and we started with this project.
So this is the original Tisas pistol?
Yep. We bought the drawings, so this is exactly the original copy.
Oh, so I even have parts interchangeability.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's actually, so guys out there, if you're like me, I've got 2 Beretta 84s because I love them so much. You could just buy one of these and have a spare set of parts, or take this to the range and shoot it, and save the wear and tear on your old Berettas that they don't make anymore. How much does something like this sell for?
I do believe it's around 400.
Okay, about 400. It's going to be, what, 13 round capacity. It's going to take your magazines or Beretta.
Beretta magazine.
Yeah, Beretta magazines.
It's from the Mecca.
Right, yeah, you can still get from Mecca. I was just about to say that, and I see them right over there. 380, 13 round capacity, great shooting gun in my opinion. Thank you, Ergen, for walking us through.
Exactly.
These are kind of like the classic Tisas firearms. Oh, one last thing I wanted to ask. What does the Zigana go for? Do you know what it sells for in the US?
That's less than 400.
Okay, All of these very inexpensive, so I guess I'll have to do reviews of these on TFBTV in the future. We'll roll them out slowly but surely. Thank you again, Ergun. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to TFBTV Showtime. We're bringing you more from IWA.